Welcome to the YuJa Video 101 course as sponsored by the Teaching and Learning Center at Heartland Community College. My name is Tim and I will lead you through this introductory course. The course is divided into 5 sections. These sections are getting started, recording, editing, quizzing and grading, and earning your badge. If you have questions or concerns during the course, just reach out and I will do my best to help. Now, let's get started. For its part, YuJa is an enterprise video platform and was licensed by Heartland Community College in 2021. YuJa is an all-in-one video experience that creates, manages, discovers, and live streams video content across any device. There are a number of ways to access YuJa in your personal media library. These include the web-based institutional-specific video platform, the rich text editor associated with the course modules and instructional content in a learning management system such as Instructure Canvas, and the YuJa mobile app. To begin, let's look at the web-based platform at heartland.yuja.com. In the top right corner, you will find the option for a single sign-on login. Once the login button is clicked, you will be prompted by a pop-up box or window to allow the YuJa software capture application to open. When the application opens, you will see the interface for your media library. The interface can be divided into 4 parts. These parts are the top horizontal row, including the links for managing media and creating recordings. The horizontal row under the top row, including features for search, creating new folders, uploading media, and more. The left column, including sections for personal and shared media, and the center column for the numerous folders and files that can be used to organize your media. As a quick tip, manage your media collections from the get-go through meaningful naming conventions for both videos and folders. Where possible, include information in the title, description, or tags for each video that reflects speakers, dates, locations, and more. If you arrive at a point in the near or distant future where you are struggling with the efficient organization of your media library, please reach out, and I'm glad to discuss effective strategies for managing your media. Now to recording. Starting in your media library, double-click on the Create Recording link in the center of the top horizontal row. After clicking on this button, you will see a pop-up window giving you the option to record from your PC or Mac or record with the Browser Capture Studio. For our purposes today, you will select Record from your PC or Mac. Once clicked, you will see the YuJa Capture interface. The interface allows you to provide a title for your media file and then specify your sources and other settings within the left column. You are able to set a single or multiple video source, set a single or multiple audio source, set a single screen source and/or display the annotation bar, and configure a live streaming or broadcasting session. The lower portion of the column also allows you to confirm your profile or create a new one. For today's session, the default setting for a basic YuJa video capture will be used. These settings simply record whatever is displaying on your PC or Mac desktop. In terms of what you can record, this can vary quite a bit. For example, you could record the home page for the Library of Congress and all of the underlying web pages. Or you could record the data and calculations within a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or any other Microsoft application, including Microsoft PowerPoint. You could also record yourself via your webcam and explain the details of any simple or complex topic, as was done by Dr. Anna Catterson in January of 2022, when she offered an hour-long video walkthrough of YuJa. Note that Catterson's video walkthrough remains available for your viewing and is a good use of time, or so I would argue. Today, though, you are going to walk through a brief simulated recording of Dr. Renee Hobbs of the University of Rhode Island. Now that you have decided what you want to capture, you can click the Start button in the lower right-hand corner. Another pop-up window will then display, and it will explain that the YuJa software capture application is authenticating your network credentials. Once authenticated, you will see a 3 count, or a countdown of 3, 2, 1, and then the recording begins. When the recording begins, a small toolbar will also appear in the lower right corner. The toolbar allows you to pause or to stop the recording. As you already know, the double vertical lines represent the pause feature, while the solid square represents stop. Now you see the recording being captured. When complete, you will then stop the recording by clicking on the solid square in the toolbar and see another prompt in a pop-up window. The prompt provides you an upload status. You will also be prompted by another larger pop-up window, and this provides you the option to delete the recording or to save it to your media library. If saved, the video will appear at the root level of your My Library folder. Voila! You have just learned how to create your first YuJa video. Now join me in Module 3 to learn how to edit a video in YuJa.